Good morning to all. My name is Adim Das and I am from Standard 9. Today we are reading chapter 1, Matter in Our Surroundings. What is matter? Matter is anything that occupies space and a mass made of tiny particles. It includes everything around us: the food we eat, the water we drink, the air we breathe, the aircraft we fly, as well as the atmosphere. Conservation of matter. Matter cannot be created or destroyed, but is able to change its form with the release of energy. Characteristics of particles of matter. Number 1. Particles of matter have space between them. Particles of matter have space between them, and so we can dissolve one form of matter over another. Number 2. The particles of matter are very small. They are small beyond our imagination. Particles of matter attract each other. Particles of matter attract each other. Take an iron nail, a piece of chalk, and a rubber band. Try breaking them by hammering, cutting, or stretching. It is more easier to break the chalk, less easier to break the rubber band, and difficult to break the iron nail. This is because the particles in the iron nail are held together with greater force than in the rubber band or chalk. Number 4. Particles of matter move continuously. Particles of matter are continuously moving activity. Take some water in a beaker and put a drop of blue or red ink slowly along the sides of the beaker. Leave it undisturbed for a few hours. The ink spreads evenly throughout the water due to the movement of the particles of water and ink. The intermixing of two or more different types of matter on their own is called diffusion. There are 3 states of matter: solid, liquid, and gas. Solid. Particles in a solid are tightly packed and usually in a regular pattern. Particles in a solid will vibrate but cannot move past each other. Solid retain their shapes. Liquid. Particles in a liquid are close together with no regular pattern. Particles in a liquid flow and can easily move or slide past one another. Liquids assume the shape of their containers. Gas. Particles in a gas are well